We are Team Vocal Spectrum. We're a senior design team graduating from Northwest Nazarene University this year. We were fortunate to work for our senior design project with Micron to make a device to help autistic children learn and communicate their emotions.
So we wanted to first learn about what autism spectrum disorder is. So autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a developmental disorder that impacts how a person is able to communicate and learn. And autism is considered to be on a spectrum because of the range of severity and impact it has on people's lives. A specific aspect of autism that we wanted to focus our device on was emotional intelligence. Now, emotional intelligence is the ability to perceive emotions accurately and then respond appropriately. So we decided as a team that we wanted to make a device to help train someone's emotional intelligence. So we made the Emototrain.
Actually, it was pretty freeing, I think, to be able to make the project our own and help out in a way that we found would be very beneficial.
And for this specific project, we went into our community and we found a specific kid who could kind of guide us in our design. And him and his dad kind of pointed us towards the emotional intelligence side of autism. But yeah, that community impact was really what we were looking to kind of work in.
I think this device has a lot of potential to actually help people out. There are a lot of other types of devices that are meant to help ASD. One specifically is helping them finish sentences and remember words and helping them learn vocabulary. And it's a simple little device with a bunch of buttons on it, and you hit the button, it audiates a word. And so along those same lines, this device could be implemented and help kids who have autism who might have a difficult time with their emotional intelligence, might help them learn this easier. It's something that you could give them that would entertain them and then would help them learn without them even really realizing it.
This is meant to be a tool for researchers to use where they can develop their own application and kind of put their own process to the test. So what we've built here is just a demo to really display the hardware that we've created.
The Emototrain features a flashcard game system that facilitates in the growth of the user's emotional intelligence. On the screen, there's a picture of a flashcard that has a character that is feeling a certain emotion. The user is prompted to select one of the 4 options displayed on the screen and choose one of them based on the corresponding tactile button. The user is prompted to select one of these options. So when they do, they are provided with feedback. If the incorrect answer is chosen, the Emototrain gives them some feedback to facilitate their choosing of the correct answer. And then once the correct answer is selected, a congratulations sound is played, and the user is given their current score as well as some activities they can do when they're feeling this way. For example, get some more rest, eat a healthy snack.
Our design revolves around a Raspberry Pi 4 that interfaces with all the peripherals that are on the device. We have tactile switches for user input that click every time you press them. We also have an audio system as well as some haptic motors in each of the handles to really keep the person engaged in the device and to really reinforce the learning that is going on the screen. For our non-visual feedback, we have a 3-watt audio amplifier that is powering a set of real low-profile speakers on either side of the screen, and we have those vibrating motors on the inside. To power our device, we have a lithium-ion polymer battery in the back of the device, and it gives us about 6 hours of runtime on just a single charge. We've encased the entire device in a clear 3D printed case to show off the electronics that are inside. We also threw some LEDs on our printed circuit board just to really showcase our design.
Throughout the entire design process, we had a lot of help from John Chavez from Micron, who helped us make this incredible device and made us better engineers as a whole. We're incredibly grateful to John Chavez, Micron, and NNU for making this all possible. The partnership with Micron and NNU has spanned many years and it impacted many students during this time. And we want to extend our gratitude towards Micron and thank them for the impact that they've had on our lives.